ama-minute mawabhalile kumele awa-check maybe no-chairperson wakhe if they cannot do a squad check. I-squad check ilana yonke le-executive ihlangana khona bese iyabheka ukuthi ngabe lama-minute lawa are the true reflections of what actually happened. So once uSecretary wakwenza wabhala ama-minute wabese ewashare negroup yakhe wawachecka no-chairperson bavuma ukuthi alright u-chairperson wawasayina then lawo ma-minute bese ashicilele. Do you get the function of a secretary? Secretary uyena ocommunicator esikhathini esiningi. Secretary uyena owenza sure ukuthi ama-minute ayakhishwa as soon as aba-available. Sikhulumile eka-treasury. Eka-treasury is the simplest one, uqoqa imali. The problem is you have a treasurer abaningi. Ukuthi treasurer uma eseqoqe imali kunokuthi yena abese elinda abantu abafuna ukusebenzisa imali bese ufuna ukuthi kube uyena futhi ohamba eyisebenzisa le mali. Uma uclaima wena ukuthi ufuna ukuthenga amanzi ufuna ukuyothenga sifuna ukuthenga simba ufuna ukuyothenga awuwona umsebenzi ka-treasurer. Umsebenzi ka-treasurer is to collect the money, keep it safe, ahamba ayibheka, akhiphe ama-record wakho. Then thina as members uma siza sesifuna ukuyothenga u-A no B no C, we come and claim imali ku-treasurer. Not ukuthi u-treasurer kumele ahambe yena ayosithengela lezo zinto. I know abo-treasurer abaningi bafunctiona kanjalo kuma-local churches. It should not be like that. Treasurer just keep the money in a safe place bese ukhipha ama-record uma siza sizoyiclaima thina. Yes or not? Can I get into what I wanted to say today? Skati sami asikho impela. Oh, nina maybe njalo uphuma ngabo-2. Uma njalo uphuma ngabo-2, allow us to go into the word of God and then bese ngena lana into lekufuna kwenzayo. Can you open our Bibles then to 1 Corinthians 11? Then we can start what I call the business engizeleyo namuhla. Sifunde nje paragraph yokuqala. It's actually a line. 1 Corinthians 11. Asifundela utholile.
And you should imitate me as I imitate Christ.
Apostle Paul uthini? Follow my example as I follow the example of Christ. Guess what? You should imitate me as I imitate Christ. Apostle Paul wanted to make sure ukuthi lokhu akureceive naye wakuzokisela kubo. And ufuna ukuthi bakwenze njengoba kunjalo. Ngoba Apostle Paul waba ne-encounter kule ndlela yaseDamascus ayikhumbula. That encounter yamenza waba very close. He had a first-hand experience, first encounter with Jesus Christ. Manje uthi manje fundani kimi nifuze mina ni-imitate mina ngoba nami ni-imitator uJesu Kristu. Jesus Christ, we know him to be the greatest leader that ever lived. So, as Christian leaders, we must follow him. We must follow lokho Apostle Paul athi sikwenze. Ngoba naye uthi lokho akwenzayo asifundisa bona ukufunde kubani uKristu. Now I want us to look at, as Christian leaders, how are we supposed to lead? Is that the right topic that I've chosen? Or when Funaje Pena School ngama administrative roles kuphela. I said I'm looking at you as our future leaders. Then kumele ukuthi sihlobisaneni ukuthi as leaders, how are we supposed to behave? Those 5 people esibakhethile lapha ukuthi babe ama-leader wenu, the executive, they are our leaders. Kumele ukuthi sibathobele, kumele ukuthi sisebenzisane nabo. They are not supposed to impose lokhu ababonayo kini. They should take you as equals. They should regard you as active participants. Kulo msebenzi lona wenkosi. Are you with me? So we want to look at the fundamental responsibility of a leader. Ama responsibilities we leader ukuthi ayini. Yini into ama spiritual leaders akumele ayenze ukuba afulfill imission lena anikezwe yona. Lo msebenzi lona abanikezwe bona labantu laba abawu-5 as executive, they are spiritual leaders, they are Christian leaders. Kepha uma bangenzi ngendlela okumele benze ngayo njengamaKristu, angeke banihola ngendlela efanele ukuba banihole ngayo. Angeke bawenza umsebenzi wenkosi ngendlela lena uNkulunkulu afisa ukuthi bawenze ngayo. So kukhona izinto ezibalulekile kumele ukuthi bazenze. I've got here a few definitions of leadership. Ukuthi leadership kahle kahle yini. Uma sifunda incwadi ezahlukahlukene which talk about leadership, but I'm more interested mina with spiritual leadership. Ngoba this is not general leadership. It's not any organization. Lana the organization esikhuluma ngayo i-organization yobuKristu. The first guy who defined leadership, put leadership in influence or exercise in any situation through a communication towards attaining a specific goals. You see that the role of a chairperson who exercises a certain influence on a special situation through the communication process. That is what services are in secretary. Yes or no? Yeah. Can you see the administrative role immediately? Uguti the leader, which in this case, let's talk about the chairperson, who exercises influence a team through the communication process, which will involve the secretary, who attain a certain goal in the game. That is one definition of a leader. Is that not practical? They communicate with you. Which is 1, 2, 3. Then if you buy in, then the goal is achieved. What kind of project management? My millionaires. Project management. Abeka bayenze. Nenze. Abeka bayenze engineering. Nikhona engineering. Okay. Abaningi bakulo mkhakha we-education. But you are our leaders. Man we focus on education. There's a diverse area yalamanabo la kumele ngene kuwo. Futhi nje njengoba ngimbiza ngama-millennials abantu be-technology too much. That is true. Omunye uma define leadership uthi manje it's a skill as include the ability to help others to achieve our potentials. You see that now? You as a leader, you have a skill also to help others ukuze ba realize ini ama goals wabo. So leader kahle kahle akusiyo umuntu ozibheke yena yedwa. Ubheke nama interest wabanye. So he is using ama skills lawa yena anawo to help others to achieve their goals. any definition of leadership, but it's a process of persuasion or setting up an example by which abantu, they choose a group so that we can share the purposes. You influence abanye abantu by persuasion. Ngokubabonisa ubuhle balento lena of i-project endifuna ukuyenza, so that they buy in, base bayamukele lento leyo nabo bayithathe ibe ngeyabo. Can I give you an example? Niyazi eFourtflame, la sithi eFourtflame kune National Center khona yethu. Bakhona bena bake baya eFourtflame. Nina abantu abasha, very soon eFourtflame izobe ownwa yinina ngithi. Kuhle ukuthi niyoyazi phela eFourtflame. Very soon eFourtflame will be used as our national center ngoba already obaba babebamba umhlangano lapha. Manje eFourtflame, most of the places has been electrified. We've got running water, we've got showers, nendawo zokulala zikhona, as well as ihola engakwazi ukumumatha abantu, maybe about 300 or more. Now, among innovations enziwa lapha eFourtflame, there is a task team ekumele yenze leyo msebenzi wama renovations. But the task team angeke yakwazi ukusebenza iyodwa. They need the cooperation of all the districts. Ngoba phela ukuyowenza ama renovations lapha kudingeka imali. Imali yebandla niyazi ukuthi itholakala kuphi, angithi? Itholakala kithi. Everyone, wonke umuntu othi yena uyimember lebandla levangeli is expected to support loya msebenzi waseFourtflame. Our district have been tasked with the district le is a renovator kanje, the district le is a renovator le ndawo le kanjalo njalo. We've got 8 of our district. Esibeke itarget ukuthi each district must contribute imali of 100,000. Then on top of that, obaba niyazi ukuthi obaba now they are a wing ye national aid. Obaba at national level kwabona have been tasked with manje ba contribute imali of 100,000. Bakwenzile ngoba obaba they've already done the renovation to that amount. Sinabo mama omama ibona ba contribute ukudlula sonke ngoba bona bakhokha imali engaka 120,000. Manje hlasa kusele le department. Kusele le department lena esihlonipha kakhulu. Lena ekumele si-investe kuyona kakhulu ngoba iyona le department lena ezothatha over. Ngoba sifuna ukukhuluma ngemali manje mfoka vila nobona ukuthi ngcono ubalekela. Ngoba I was going to point you there. National Youth, Wanina, you need to participate kulo msebenzi lapha eFourtflame. And was excited about it. That is the challenge and you guys are checking wena namuhla. But why i-department yabo mama, i-department yabo baba bathatha ikhaza, babamba ikhaza kulo msebenzi. Then i-youth yona why ingabamba ikhaza? Ngiyathemba umsebenzi wakho mahle kakhulu. You told me ukuthi uma i-attendance ibe yihle you are 300 or more. Uma no 300 and more, you can easily make that money edingekayo eFourtflame. I'm talking about leadership. They exercise influence, ba motivate, so that wonke umuntu akubone ukubaluleka kwale project ebeliwe etafuleni. When they buy in, then we win. So does it make sense? Then spiritual leadership. To develop a relationship that will help us to enable other people to achieve our goals that meet the real needs. Uma leadership yakho ingameet the real needs of labantu osebenza, that is not leadership. Nelly is appointed. If you don't impact it, to impact, that is to help them to achieve at the point of their needs, then that is true leadership. Kepha uma unganandaba nezidingo zabantu, your leadership is questioned. Yes or no? Wonke ama-activities asisondeza closer to our goal are productive. Wonke ama-activities angasisondezi closer to our goal are not productive. Does it make sense? Ukukhuluma sikhulume sigcine ngokukhuluma. That is not productive. But when we talk, after that we put our talks into action, that is productive. But in that language, it's project management. I want to be but accept the project management. If in our education, ungafundisa abantwana at the end of the year uma baphasa esikoleni, it means you have been productive when as a facilitator. Ufundise empheleni konyaka abantwana bafeyile, it means when a facilitator you were not productive. Does that make sense? You are only productive uma ngabe konke lokho okwenzayo ukusondeza ugoal yakho closer to your goal. Yazwa lo, it's a bit hard to tone it down. Then again, we've got biblical mandates. Afana nokuthi love your neighbor, love yourself as you love God, love what. Those ones are straightforward. That any leader should just point it out to you and make sure that you do it. Axiyo into kumele ukuthi azame ukuconvince ngayo ngoba lokhu straightforward kwawena wazitholela la eBhayibhelini. Then another important emphasis ye leader, it's upon his service. What you do to other people. Remember what Jesus Christ would imagine, I did not come to be served, but to serve. So the most important thing is for you as a leader to serve others, not to expect them to serve you. That's one big area. Leadership. A leader does not exercise any control over abantu bakhe. Matthew 20 verse 28, uthi Jesus Christ, even the Son of Man came not to be served but to serve. Manipulation is coercion of people who are achieving logo leader ekufunda. Logo, it's not through leadership. Yazi umanipulate abantu. Bathembise lokho. Uthi yenza asenzeni kanje, ngizokwenza kanje. Bese wena awenzi nje ngokuthembisile. Uyabadonsa, uyabaheha, emva kwalokho uyabayuza. Ziningi indlela esiyuzana ngazo. Even nasemabandleni we have this thing in manipulation. Especially the tendency lesengiyibonile hlazi uma sibiza imhlangano sithi umuntu acontribute imali ka250 for ukudla. Then in actual fact, bese spend only 100 rand for ukudla, sithathe 150 rand. Ayakwenza ngoba manje nokho emhlanganweni eminye kuyenzeka lokho. That is manipulation. That is not through leadership. Call it kufundayo lapha. Yes. As a leader, you don't have to manipulate abantu, especially laba okhonza. They are not your people. They are co-workers emsebenzini kaNkulunkulu. Ama-participants. Now wena as a leader, ungathi uma ubabona bese ubona abantu ongabayuzi. akusibo abantu okumele bacaphaze, abantu ekumele ukuthi ubasize badevelop ama-skills wabo. Abantu kumele as a leader you must respect them, uba involve futhi ekuseteni ama-goals wenu. People as a leader, you should not treat them like ama-objects. Ungabalusi ngathi ulusa izinkomo. Awulusi umuntu ngathi ulusa inkomo. Umuntu unengcondo, uyacabanga, ufana nawe. The only difference ukuthi wena ubeke ku-position ye-leadership, yena akekho ku-position ye-leadership. So if you treat him as an equal, then you will see ukuthi ukusebenzisana nomvuzo okangakanani. Can I ask lona olele duze wakho maybe umthi kancane? Ukhona enye ikhampani enkulu yamakhompyutha ebizwa ukuthi i-IBM.